Namaste. Greetings to all of you. Sutra number 2. According to the principle of transformation, when yang becomes overexpanded, it will contract. Extreme yang becomes extreme yin, and vice versa. Principle of transformation. Okay. Transform means change the quality of a substance into something more refined, right? The idea is to seek a balance between extreme attitudes. So what the teacher is saying here is when yang becomes overexpanded, in other words, when you become aggressive to the extreme side, just check in a relationship, when a person becomes extremely young, aggressive, arrogant, and wild, then the person and the friend may shrink, may contract, may that extreme attitudes will break the relationship. It will make the relationship shrink and break it down, actually. Right? This is an example. Now, which is also the truth when you go to the inside extreme, right? You cannot be extremely soft and allow anything and everything to happen in front of you. That could also be disaster, right? So extreme attitudes have to be avoided. But if you cannot have these two qualities, then the idea is to blend both. So you need to have both the qualities in you and stay in a balance. Master will say, extreme attitudes will make you take the extreme other opposite direction. Easiest example would be for you to understand the way the swing operates. So you pull this energy to one extreme, then you leave it, it goes to the other extreme. So if you're extremely stressful, overworked up, then it goes like you're going for money, one extreme, right? Then if you go to that extreme, you will realize that either your health goes for an issue or relationship goes for an issue. Suddenly it's like a wake-up call. So when you leave this, it goes to the other extreme. So in other words, you're leaving the work completely and then going to the extreme of fixing your health and relationship as a priority. It's like you literally jumped out of the box and went to the other extreme, which means you will lose money, which will also break that relationship, because in order to survive, you need money. So you have to work. So the idea is you cannot swing to both extremes. You should have both the qualities. You have to make it as a blend so that the extreme attitudes are avoided, and instead of that, transformation is brought about so that the balance is achieved. This is the second sutra. You think about it today. Understand how the sutra will transform you in the whole day. Try to have a balance. Namaste.